She grabs her magazines, she packs her things and she goes. She leaves her pictures hanging on the wall. She burns all her notes, and she knows she's been here too few years to feel this old. He smokes a cigarette, he stays outside till it's gone. If anybody ever had a home, well, he wouldn't be alone. And he knows he's been here too few years to be gone, to be gone, to be gone, to be gone. And we always say it would be good to go away someday, yeah. But if there's nothing here to make things change, if it's the same for you, I'll just hang. Trouble understand if she's got reasons he don't. Funny how I couldn't see it all till she grabbed up her coat and she goes. She's been here too few years to take it all in stride. Well, it's still been much too long to let her go. You let her go, 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 go. And we always say it'll be good to go away someday, yeah. But if there's nothing here to make things change, it's the same for you, I'll just hang. If it's the same for you, I'll always hang. That's a wrap.